Okay, we're going to look at the last type of problem like this, where they're both set equal to y, and you're watching this because you did something incorrectly and missed the answer. So y is equal to 2x plus 7 and y is equal to 5x plus 13. Both of these are solved for y, so I'm using the substitution method. So I'm going to take one of these and substitute. Now in the last couple, I've taken this one and moved it down here, and that's fine. But I can also take this one and move it up there if I really wanted to. So, or I can move this one here. As long as they're both equal to each other, we're good. So 5x plus 13 is going to be equal to 2x plus 7. And again, if you have the 2x plus 7 over here and the 5x plus 13 over there, that's okay. Here's my 5x, here's my 2x. They're on opposite sides of the equal sign, so I cannot just put them together. I have to inverse my operations. So I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides because that's the opposite. That's the inverse operation of addition. 5x minus 2x is 3x, so 3x plus 13 is equal to 7 because those cancel one another out. Now, this is a simple two-step equation. Here's my 3x, there's my plus 13. I need to get rid of my plus 13. So to get rid of my plus 13, I'm going to do inverse, which is minus 13. And so those are going to cancel, and 3x is going to equal 7 minus 13, which happens to be a negative 6. So now as I'm waiting here, I've got my 3x, there's multiplying together. The inverse of multiplication is division. So I'm going to divide by 3. So x is equal, negative 6 divided by 3 is a negative 2. And now that I know that x is negative 2, I can reuse that to solve for y. So if I use my x equals negative 2, and I bring it here and replace my x with my negative 2, then I can solve for y. Now, not only could I have replaced it here, I could have also replaced it right there, and that would have been fine as well. So y is equal to 5 times negative 2 plus 13. So 5 times negative 2 is going to get me negative 10. So y is equal to negative 10 plus 13, which really is the same as negative 10 plus 13, which is y is equal to 3. And since I'm looking for an ordered pair, I write my answer is x comma y. X is negative 2, y is 3. So the ordered pair of negative 2, 3 is where where these two lines are going to be equal to each other and where they would cross on a coordinate plane if I had to graph them both. So hopefully these are helping you figure out what to do when both of these equations are set equal to y, and that you can find your mistake and get the next couple of ones right.